Find the sum of the products of the corresponding terms of the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 128, 32, 8, 2, 1 by 2. Find the sum of products of corresponding terms. Okay, product of corresponding terms are two sequences. Here two sequences are there. Do the product of corresponding terms. Okay, 2 times of 128, 4 times of 32, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Then what do we do? They sum. వచ్చిన దాని product యొక్క sum ఎంత మీరు చెప్పాలి. Okay, see the solution. First sequence. Here what is the first sequence? Given first sequence equals to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Second sequence is 128, 32, 8, 2, half. Okay. Product of corresponding terms. See the next point. Product of corresponding terms. That means equals to 2 times of 128. 8 2s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 5, 256. Next, 4 times of 32. So 4 2s are 8, 128. 4 2s are 32. Third term, 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. Next, 16 2s are 32. Next, 32 into half, 60. Okay, these are the product of terms. Now we will find sum of these terms. Okay, see, first sum means Sn. Sn equals to 256 plus 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16. Okay, so here A1 equals to how much? 256. A2 equals to 128. A3 equals to 64. Okay, A2 by A1. Find A2 by A1. What is the value of A2? 128 divided by 256. 1s are 2s are 1 by 2. Next, A3 by A2. A3 by A2. So A3 value is 64 by 128. 1s are 2s are 1 by 2. Observe that A2 by A1 equals to A3 by A2. A2 by A1 equals to A3 by A2. So the given series is in GP. The given series is in GP. Okay. So see the sum. What is the Sn formula? Sn formula. What is the Sn formula? Sn equals to, see here R is, what is the R here? R is 1 by 2, which is less than 1. So Sn equals to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. Okay. So this is the Sn. Okay. That equals to, what is the A value here? 256 into 1 minus R value half. Here how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So power 5 by 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay. This is S5. Sum of 5 terms. So that equals to 256. Okay. 1 minus. Okay. 1 power 5 is 5. Okay. 2 power 5 by 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Okay. That equals to 256. 2 transpose left side, numerator multiply with 2 into, this is 2 power 5 minus 1. 2 power 5 minus 1 divided by 2 power 5. Okay. Now see, 256. 6 2s are 12. 2 5s are 10. 11. 1 balanced. 512. Into 2 power 5 value. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 32 minus 1 by, this is 32. Okay, 2 power 5 value 32. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Okay, see now, 8 4s are 32, 8 6s are 48, 8 6s are 48, 3 balance again, 8 4s are 32. See again, 4 how many times? 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 24. So 16 times, so finally 16 times. 32 minus 1. 32 minus 1 is 31. 32 minus 1 is 31. See, 16 1s are 16. 1 balance. 16 3s are 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. Therefore, the sum of this series is, so S5 means what? 256 plus this series. S5, this is S5. So 256 plus 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 is 496.